Hi Corey, yeah, once you've gone to the Google website and you've generated your new map code, I'll send you a link to that information as well, but in a nutshell. Right, you go to Google, you type in your address here, and then down here, once you've got your pinpoint your location, you hit the little settings tab, do the share or embed map, and then click on embed map. And you want this iframe code right here, so you copy this, and then you go to your library, components, and your contact panel. Open up the contact panel.htm page, and right here where it says paste Google Map, right here, change the width to 100% and the height to 305. So basically what you can do is take all that stuff you just copied from Google, just select all this stuff in between the two green comment tags, and make sure you're obviously in the design view here, Expression Web. Sorry, you're not in the design view, that you're in the code view. Sorry. So select all this stuff here, just delete it, give yourself, hit the enter key a few times to give yourself some white space, and then paste the new stuff. Right? For the width, where it says 600 here or so, just change it to 100%, and the height from 450 or whatever the default is to 305. And that's really all you need to do for the updating the map. With Expression Web, front page used to use a lot of like front page widgets and stuff like that, and it's been replaced with web bots, basically chunks of code or HTML or JavaScript elements that are added to your template pages, added to your web pages via these includes that we use, which is actually still a front page throwback. Front page used those as well. So when you add something to the contact panel here, it's then saved and then it's applied to all your pages, because all the pages use this particular include or webbot element. Now for the actual map, or sort of for the, let me get to your account. Alright, so I'm just logged in as you, and what I'm going to do here is right here, as soon as you log into your account, you'll see your name and your account summary. Go over to the instructions tab right there, click on that, and then the basic form handler tab, and just have a little bit of a read through here. And basically what happens when you have a form, the information, when somebody, a visitor on your website, enters information into a form, that information is taken from the web page, it's sent out to a server, and then redirected over to your email address. There has to be some sort of intermediate or some sort of service in between your web page and your email program in order to get that information. Right? Front page used to, with the front page extensions in the server, it used to have that ability. Most web hosts do not support front page extensions anymore, and more and more taking them away. So we've actually introduced a few different options since 2007 when Microsoft stopped supporting front page extensions. We've come up with what we call the Super Submit service here. Right? You can check out the different plans. There's the basic plan is free for our members, and to get the free plan, all you do is, I take you back to your main page here, is if you click on the license information for your template, right there, that's the license key. That key is also a coupon code, so you can get the Super Submit service for free. Right? At least the basic one. And like I said, to find out more about that service, just go to the instructions page here, go to the come on now, basic form handler. You can read up a little bit about it and just go click on any one of the links that we have in here to take you to that site and go through the sign up service. Right? The other option is you can talk directly to your web host and say, hey, how do I connect a form? Every web host supplies some method of connecting a form, but this is going to be most likely the least troublesome, because connecting forms has always been a pain in the neck. So we've created this service to sort of make it a little bit easier for you.